Hey everyone, it's Steve with the Prewitt Group. Wanted to thank you for taking the time to join us today. We are going to be going over some market statistics of what's happened in our local market here throughout the end of May, and just want to keep you up to date on what's happening in different segments of the market. So, going to jump into a screen share and go over some of those stats with you. But again, thanks for taking the time to watch and keep up to date with us. So today we're going to look at the market trends that have been here in 2016 so far through the end of May. So the biggest thing that we've seen this year so far is just far lower inventory than we've had in almost 20 years now, which is in turn causing a high number of sales in the lower price points and some upward pressure on pricing, just causing things to go off the market quickly. So homes in good condition are moving quickly, as well as things just in the under $250,000 price point, some of those even with multiple offer situations, and feel that overall the market is beginning to stabilize and definitely improve in the lower price points. So going to look at a few stats here real quick. The active inventory levels, like I said, have been at an all-time 20-year low here so far this year, and you can see a big difference between our active number of homes on the market in El Paso County between this year and last year. In looking at how the market's performing, we really look at breakdown of price point to see where things are moving well and where things are struggling. Obviously, as you can see from here, between 150,000 and 300,000 is our highest volume of stuff moving, and then anything above 500,000, and then certainly above 800,000 or 900,000, the number of sales slows down considerably. You see the same kind of trend with list price to sell price ratios, with most stuff in that $100,000 to $300,000 range going at or over list price, and then some more fluctuation as you go up in price point. You also see a similar trend in the number of days to sell. Obviously, our days on market for 2016 are a lot less than they were in 2015 in almost every price category. And then you do see the traditional trend that we have in Colorado Springs of it taking longer to sell properties that are on the market at a higher price. And the last factor we're going to look at today is the average sales price. This year, from January to May, our average sales price has gone from $251,744 to $275,471, which is about a 9.4% increase, or somewhere in the 1.5% to 2% increase per month for our market as a whole. So certainly starting to see some of that rebound in our market, and pricing starting to push up. So at the end of the day, what does this mean for you? It's certainly a great time to sell in the lower markets, a great time to purchase that move-up home because you can get more equity out of the one that you're currently in. And I think it's still early enough in that recovery to buy where you're not paying too much of a premium price, even if you're buying in that hot market range between $200,000 and $300,000. And just really be prepared when you're going out and looking and making offers, and be ready to compete in multiple offer situations. And overall, I think we're going to have a good, strong, healthy market throughout the remainder of the year. Thanks for taking the time to join us today. Until next time, check out some of the great resources on our website to find out your home value, or check out all the properties that are on the market. And as always, if you have any questions about what your home may be worth, or any questions just about the real estate market in general, please reach out to us anytime. Hope you have a great day. We'll see you again soon.